Best air fryers. Are you looking for the best air fryers? In this video we will look at 5 of the best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-Quart Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 QD XL Air Fryer is a versatile, high-capacity kitchen appliance designed for quick, easy, and healthier cooking. With its 6-in-1 functionality, it can air fry, broil, dehydrate, roast, reheat, and bake, making it an all-in-one solution for various meals. One of its standout features is the Even Crisp technology, which ensures perfectly crispy and golden results using little to no oil. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to enjoy fried foods with fewer calories and less fat. With a 6-quart capacity, it's ideal for families and meal prepping, allowing users to cook larger portions of food at once. A high-powered heating system ensures fast cooking times, reducing the need for long preheating or extensive monitoring. The user-friendly digital controls and customizable temperature/time settings make cooking simple and intuitive. The air fryer also comes with 100+ in-app recipes, providing meal inspiration and step-by-step instructions for both beginners and experienced cooks. Its sleek black design, compact footprint, and dishwasher-safe components make it a convenient addition to any kitchen. The non-stick basket and trays ensure easy cleaning, reducing the hassle of post-cooking cleanup. Compared to competitors like the Ninja Air Fryer or Cosori Pro 2, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus stands out with its multi-functionality, smart cooking technology, and ease of use. In summary, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 QD XL Air Fryer is a versatile, easy-to-use, and efficient kitchen appliance. With 6-in-1 cooking options, Even Crisp technology, and a large capacity, it's perfect for families, meal prep, and anyone looking for quick, healthier cooking alternatives. Number 2. Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer. The Cosori Air Fryer 9-in-1 6QT is a versatile, high-performance kitchen appliance designed for quick, efficient, and healthier cooking. With 9 cooking functions, it can air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, reheat, cook frozen foods, broil, and proof dough, making it a multifunctional tool for various recipes. A key feature is its wide temperature range, 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for precise cooking control. The turbo mode speeds up cooking by using high heat and rapid air circulation, ensuring crispy, even results with up to 95% less oil. This makes it a great option for those looking for healthier fried food alternatives. With a 6-quart capacity, it's perfect for families or meal prepping, allowing users to cook larger portions in one go. The compact yet spacious design ensures it fits well in most kitchens without taking up too much counter space. The intuitive digital controls make cooking easy, while precise temperature adjustments help ensure food is cooked to perfection. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup effortless, saving time in the kitchen. Compared to competitors like the Instant Pot Vortex Plus or Ninja Air Fryer, the Cosori 9-in-1 stands out with its turbo mode, higher maximum temperature, 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and added proofing function, making it a more versatile choice. In summary, the Cosori Air Fryer 9-in-1 6QT is a compact yet powerful air fryer offering fast cooking, precise temperature control, and multiple functions. With its large capacity, turbo mode, and easy-to-use design, it's perfect for families, meal preppers, and anyone looking for a healthier way to enjoy fried foods. Number 3. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer, BOV860 BSS, is a premium countertop appliance that combines air frying, baking, roasting, and more in a sleek brushed stainless steel design. It's designed for those who want a versatile, high-performance oven with advanced cooking features. A standout feature is Element IQ technology, which uses smart sensors and 5 independent quartz heating elements to distribute heat evenly and efficiently. This ensures faster, precise cooking with better results than traditional ovens. The air frying function crisps food using less oil, making it a healthier alternative to deep frying. In addition to air frying, it offers 11 cooking functions, including baking, broiling, toasting, roasting, reheating, slow cooking, and dehydrating, making it a multi-purpose tool for any kitchen. With a large capacity, it fits a 13-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or a 4.4-pound chicken, making it ideal for families or meal prepping. The user-friendly LCD display and easy-to-use dials simplify operation, while the interior light allows for easy monitoring of food. The brushed stainless steel exterior gives it a modern, durable look, and the non-stick interior makes cleaning effortless. Compared to competitors like the Ninja Foodi oven or Cosori smart oven, the Breville smart oven air fryer stands out with its precision heating, powerful air frying, and premium build quality. In summary, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer, BOV860 BSS, is a high-end, multifunctional countertop oven with advanced heating technology, air frying capabilities, and a spacious interior. It's perfect for those who want an all-in-one appliance that delivers fast, even cooking with professional-level results. Number 4. Ninja 4-Quart Air Fryer. The Ninja Air Fryer AF101 is a compact, versatile 4-in-1 appliance designed for healthier cooking with less oil. It offers air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, reheating, and dehydrating, making it a great all-around kitchen tool for quick and easy meals. One of its key benefits is air frying with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying, thanks to rapid air circulation technology. This ensures crispy, golden results while keeping food tender inside. The wide temperature range, 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allows for precise cooking control, from gentle dehydration to high-heat frying. With a 4-quart capacity, it's ideal for small families, couples, or individuals, accommodating up to 2 pounds of fries or a variety of other meals. The compact size makes it a great fit for kitchens with limited counter space. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket and crisper plate make cleanup easy. Its simple control panel allows for quick adjustments of temperature and time, ensuring hassle-free cooking. Compared to competitors like the Cosori 4QT or Instant Vortex Mini, the Ninja AF101 stands out with its reliable performance, even cooking, and built-in dehydration function. While it lacks the larger capacity of some models, its compact size and efficiency make it a great choice for smaller households. In summary, the Ninja Air Fryer AF101 is a compact, easy-to-use air fryer offering versatile cooking functions, healthier frying, and fast meal prep. With a 4-quart capacity, dishwasher-safe parts, and a broad temperature range, it's perfect for individuals or small families looking for a convenient and healthier way to cook crispy, delicious meals. Number 5. Ninja DZ071 Foodi FlexBasket Air Fryer. The Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 FlexBasket Air Fryer is a versatile, high-capacity air fryer designed for large meals and flexible cooking options. With its 7-quart megazone and a unique basket divider, it allows users to cook large proteins or split the space for 2 different foods simultaneously. A standout feature is Smart Finish technology, which ensures the 2 different foods finish cooking at the same time, even if they require different temperatures or cooking times. This makes it perfect for family meals or meal prepping, eliminating the need to cook in separate batches. The 6-in-1 functionality includes air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, reheating, and dehydrating, providing multiple cooking options for a variety of dishes. Its wide temperature range allows for precise cooking control, ensuring that food comes out crispy, juicy, and evenly cooked. The 7-quart capacity is ideal for families or gatherings, accommodating large portions of proteins, veggies, or side dishes. The basket divider lets users separate foods with different seasonings or cooking times, adding more flexibility to meal prep. Compared to competitors like the Instant Vortex Plus Dual Basket or Cosori Dual Blaze, the Ninja DZ071 stands out with its megazone feature, which allows users to convert it into a single large cooking space for big proteins like whole chickens, steaks, or roasts. In summary, the Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 FlexBasket air fryer is a family-sized, highly versatile appliance with a spacious 7-quart capacity, smart finish tech, and flexible basket options. It's perfect for those who want a high-performance air fryer that simplifies meal prep, saves time, and delivers delicious, crispy results.